So I think the question is that I'm aware that most of the clothes that we see on TV or anywhere, be it ads, be it films, a lot of it gets reused with the background. You get patties made in the production and all of that. But my question here is that since you have done very distinct projects, take it Dangal, take it Lal Kaptan, and the period films of Bajirao and Padmavat, they are very distinct, and not everything can be used. What
They're also
happens to these
expensive.
costumes?
Yeah, they're also
They're
expensive.
extremely expensive. Yeah. So what happens to these costumes?
If it's too expensive, something, like very antique and real value, they've been, try to auction them. They have been auctioned, and few have been, like kept by, important people and all. Then majority of the costumes, they just remain in the patties. They do, unless like the same production is doing a movie and आपको वही as you mentioned background में चाहिए, तब याद आएगा अरे इस period movie के इसमें वो इतने घाघरे थे, just get those. I'm just giving an example, घाघरा, so get those घाघras from there, it will help our case. Or the saris are there, okay, from Bajirao, that Albela Sajan, so get those saris, they might just help, in Maharashtrian looking or like background. But the expensive looking ones, only the most expensive and all, once in a while, I'm not saying all the time, they do get auctioned, but they just remain in the patties.
Do you think that, yeah, but I think like now, since we are talking about sustainability so much and everybody's trying to be as sustainable in their personal lives also, whereas these big productions and the big scale projects of clothes and costumes are the main sources. Like I think in a day, in entire India, there must be some, I'm not giving an exact number, but I'm saying from whatever I've seen, there must be just 2,000 costumes bought for films, like that is, I'm sure like on a daily basis, on a daily basis, we buy so many clothes. Do you think that's gonna, there is a way to stop that more than anything? Is there a way to make it more sustainable as the entire process of it?
See, costumes are not made with the thought of being sustainable. That is the idea. It's not. And will it change? I don't know, because it will take time for people to start making costumes with the thought that that sustainability thing has to be kept in mind. So when that thought is there, while making or production stages, then you can say different, but at the moment it's not there.
Basically our idea of it is not only sustainable.
Exactly. It's not that abhi nahi kar rahe. Ads, see, when it comes to reusing and all, rehashing, in case of ads and all, it's still there. This because होता है ads में कि काफी time use होता है, जिसका भी हो ads में होता है, movies में not so much. It's not there. And what happens is, like as you said, the two ones, like in a movie like period movies, you make the garments, you don't buy the garments, okay? So and by the time the movie has ended, over a period of like 1 year or something, they don't remain in a condition to be used for some other project. As that is the second. Now if I were to say Dangal also, there was one set, like those local Balali people and all, that was made and all of that, those pajamas and kurtas and all of that. But there was another thing where we had bought those coats and pants and stuff for people present in the bouts and all of that church. So maybe those would have been used by like other movies, in the other movies, or keeping in mind ki are isme to quotes hain, so again for background and stuff. But yeah, mostly the sustainability aspect does not exist. It just goes
to dreams.
But because why will it even exist? There's so much of already. I'm speaking from a very production perspective, or rather from a perspective where even I haven't thought about it yet. Like it's only when Nikita mentioned it, I'm like, oh yeah, right. That this should be. I'm not gonna give 2 fucks about it. I'm not gonna give 2 fucks. It was already इतना pressure होता है set पे. मैं क्या करूँगी इसको करके कुछ भी ध्यान देके.
But costume, like, we don't actually, that's the thing, right? It's the awareness of it. I'm sure you also know about it, that clothes actually make a lot of amount of trash. It's not a small number, and they create a lot of environmental hazard in the ecosystem. So, from a perspective of that, as a human being, before I'm a filmmaker or an assistant director or a costume designer or any of this, I'm a human being and this wouldn't exist. Like, from that perspective, at an emergency kind of a time, what do you think is a
This is
solution
not
to
the
this?
sorry to interrupt, but this is not the designer's call. It's the, say if it's a director who has his own production house, okay? So then their call, he decides, or she decides ki this is how it's going to be. So they would not want ki, even if it's the production house उन्हीं का ही दूसरी मूवी है, but वो नहीं चाहेंगे कि अरे मैं इसमें iconic look दिए हैं.
Correct.
And we are trying to, even if it's someone in the background,
The
imagine if
background.
one person spots that, oh my god, wasn't this worn in that other movie
Yeah.
by this
But that's a very good point, Pratna. Like what you're saying makes complete sense. I mean, tomorrow I would not want to. I don't want anybody else to use what I have created for specifically for my film, where my team has worked like so hard in research. मतलब it's not something that you can just pick ना. मतलब यहाँ पे 7-8
basically this sustainability thing is not there, and as Sadhgi also mentioned, that has to be a team effort, and the first step where it's going to happen is the construction of the fabrics itself. Forget about construction of costume. It has to happen from the fundamental level. So when people will start keeping the sustainability in mind when it comes to the fabrics, how they are made and how produced in bulk and everything, the next step would be people who are buying, and then the next step would be people who are constructing something using.
It's a good conversation to have, but I think more than conversation, we need to actually
Implement it, most definitely. I think when we come in spaces of power, it's about when we are in the spaces that these things can be taken care of. As assistants and associates, we have only so much power in these situations.